All right, in this quick little video, we're going to go over the homework quiz on differential equations. In this first problem, what we were supposed to do is find the values for k where this function right here satisfies this function right here. All right, so the first thing we need to do is know what is dy dx. So we take this one here and we figure out dy dx. So we take the derivative of this. And the derivative of this is going to be 2 times that e to the kx, which is going to be k e to the kx, and the derivative of 5 is just 0. So now we've got dy dx. So when we go back over here to this one right here, we're going to plug in 2k e to the kx, and that is our dy dx, equals 15 plus 3, and where we had a y, we're going to plug in what y is, and y is right here. 2e to the kx minus 5. All right, so we multiply this out. 2k e to the kx equals 15. We distribute the 3 plus 6 e to the kx minus 15. When we see those 15s canceling, we get a little giddy. And then we notice that both sides look similar. We've got an e to the kx on both sides and a number in front of them. Well, if those two expressions are equal, then the 2k has to equal the 6, and k equals 3. The next problem on the homework quiz was finding the solution to this differential equation. So recall that the first step is to get our y's together. dy over y, because we're going to divide both sides by y, equals 1/5 dt, because we're going to multiply both sides by dt. Next step is to integrate both sides. We should know that the antiderivative of dy over y is natural log absolute value of y. Antiderivative here is just a constant, so it's going to be 1/5 t, and then we need to figure out that constant of integration. On your quiz, by the way, you got 1 point for separating the variables and 1 point if you had both derivatives right, or not derivatives, but antiderivatives correct. Both antiderivatives correct. So to get the third point on this one, we need to solve for y. And first thing we want to do is figure out c. So we were told y is 50 when t equals 0. So we've got natural log 50 equals 0 plus c. And so we can see that c is natural log 50. So now we've got the natural log of y equals 1/5 t plus natural log 50. We're going to solve for y equals e to the 1/5 t plus natural log 50. If you got this, you got that third point. But if you're really good at this, you also knew to rewrite this as 50 e to the 1/5 t, which is how problems would more likely appear in a multiple choice answer solution. So you really do need to know how to convert this correct answer to this equivalent answer.